Every performance engineer knows this pain. You finish scripting your JMeter test, and that's where the real struggle begins. Running it with thousands of users? Almost impossible. Running distributed load test? Complicated and time-consuming. And when it comes to reading results or generating reports, you're lost in JTL files, trying to piece everything together manually. Meet Baseline11, a cloud-native load testing platform built for modern performance engineers. Run, monitor, and analyze your JMeter tests seamlessly, powered by AWS anywhere in the world. Now let's give a quick walkthrough of how Baseline11 works. Just head over to the website and sign up with your details. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean dashboard, ready to create your very first task. Before we start, let's quickly complete the setup. Head over to AWS Setup button and click on it, then copy your access key ID and secret access key from your AWS account console and paste them inside the keys here. And yes, your credentials are encrypted in our database. No leakage risk ever. Once that's done, click Save and you're ready to go. Now, click on the Project button. Then click Create Project, give it a name, description, and assign your team members. That's it, your project is ready. Next, let's create our first load test. Click on the Test button, then click Create Test. Enter a name, select your project, give it a short description, and upload your JMeter file and subset data file. For this demo, I've added a JMeter file with multiple APIs, some intentional failures, and extra plugins, so you can see how Baseline11 visualizes results in real time. And inside the test setup, you will see two options: Split and Delete. Click on Split if you want to distribute load across multiple AWS regions. Baseline11 handles everything automatically, quick and easy. Now move to the load agent configuration. Choose your region, instance type, subnet, and other details. You can even add multiple different load agents to perform distributed load testing. You can also add plugins if required. For this demo, we're using a random CSV plugin to handle our test data, which is outside the JMeter library. Once everything is ready, click on the Run Test button. Within seconds, Baseline11 initializes your AWS instances and starts the test. Your live dashboard updates, showing active users, throughput, bytes in, out, response times, and many other essential details in all other tabs too, all in real time. When your test finishes, your detailed report is ready immediately. Let's go through the main tabs. In the Summary tab, you can view overall throughput, average response time, transaction response time, error transaction time, and many other essential stats. In the LG tab, you can track CPU usage, memory usage, bytes in, out, and load generator details of the servers used during your test. Now let's move to the Error tab. Here you'll find failed requests, error rate percentages, and detailed error information in a clean table view, even showing the exact reason behind each failure. The Error tab isolates failed APIs, so you can debug instantly. Finally, go to the Output tab. You will get different options to download your results in multiple formats. Click on the HTML report first. It gives you a full, visually rich report showing errors, request summaries, test statistics, and other detailed overviews. Then go back to the Output tab and click Download Combined JMeter Output. This gives you a JTL file and other log files, which you can analyze further in CSV format. That's how easily you can run, monitor, and analyze a full-scale load test, all inside Baseline11. Now, let's explore some of the free tools in Baseline11. First, our JSON to JMX converter, which helps you instantly generate JMeter scripts from your Postman collections completely free. Here's how it works. For this demo, I've taken the free PayPal API collection in Postman. You can see multiple user-defined variables stored at both request and collection levels, arranged neatly in folders. Even nested folders like invoice arrow, sub-invoice arrow API requests. Instead of manually correlating each API in JMeter, Baseline11 automatically does that conversion for you. Here's how it works. First, export your Postman collection as a JSON file. Then, drag and drop it into our converter. You can upload JSON files up to 100 megabytes, something no other free tool allows. Wait a few seconds. Once ready, download the generated JMex file. Open it into JMeter, and you'll see that. All user-defined variables are already created. Folder structures, including nested ones, are preserved. Variables are automatically passed through each request. Around 75% of your correlation work is already done. And that's not all. We also provide a performance calculator tool. Many load testers struggle with quick calculations, virtual users, TPS, think time, or other load test estimates. With this tool, just input a few mandatory values, and Baseline11 instantly calculates your ideal configuration. These free utilities make it easy to get started, even before you run your first test. These built-in tools make your testing workflow faster and smarter, even before you run your first load test. So that's Baseline11, your all-in-one cloud-native load testing companion. Simple setup, powerful insights, real results.